Loading up in Michigan, headed to Good Evening Ranch in West Virginia for the She Crawl Shakedown and basically the maiden voyage for the new crawler hauler.
Sketch from here.
Give it a shot. See what happens.
I would start here with your tire. Yeah, you're not gonna roll because you're taller. You'll just rub your top on the top, you know? Yeah, worst case, back out.
Your grandma always used to say to me, nothing good happens after 2 a.m. And she was right. When 2 a.m. rolls around, just go home and go to sleep. When it's after 2 a.m., just go to sleep, because the decisions you make after 2 a.m. are the wrong decisions.
Ted, what does your mom always say?
Nothing good ever.
Nothing good ever happens after 2 a.m. Go home. It's too late for...
after the late night, we had to fix a bunch of stuff, and we attached the tie rod straight to the axle to make it a drag axle, and then went back out.
Mike, back up. Driver. Yep. Go. Stay higher on the passenger. Passenger. Back up and bump it right there. You're clear.
As you could tell, it was a rainy weekend. We have a couple more videos coming out from this trip. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you on the trail, and please hit that subscribe button.